Good morning, how are you? I've got Mum in the car with me today and we are just heading to the shopping centres. We've just got a little bit of like some errands and things to run. We've got some things to collect from the shopping centre and I just thought it'd be a bit of fun to bring you along. We haven't been to the shopping centres in quite a while. So all the Christmas decorations will be out and we're just gonna have a real good little poke around and just see what is in store at the moment. So I wanted to bring you along for that. Our first stop of the day is actually gonna be TK Maxx. I have not been to TK Maxx in, I don't even know how long, it might have been a couple of years, but I saw that they actually had some nice things online, so I kind of just wanted to pop in and have a little look there. So that is going to be our first port of call. So I will talk to you again once we get to TK Maxx. How cool is this picnic basket with like the mother of pearl inlay on it? That's very cool. That is 40 bucks. I don't need it, but it is very cool. How cute is this cup? The little leaf plate. Oh, like little shot glasses. Look. It's a teapot. Gorgeous. We did not have any success really in TK Maxx. It was quite overwhelming in there. It was very busy in the store, and just a lot of product in that, which I find quite overwhelming. So we are just headed to the shopping center now. We've got an appointment at 11, so we've got a little bit of time before then, but just heading to the shopping center. So we have left the shopping centre and we're feeling very festive after looking at all the Christmas decorations. So we're actually just going to head, there is a Christmas store not too far away. So we're just going to head there now and have a little poke around the Christmas store and try and get all of those festive vibes. We are loving this reindeer for the entryway. Oh, maybe for next year. Isn't he adorable? It looks so good in the entryway next to that chair. Wouldn't be taking that from him. So I am home now from the shops, and I just thought I'd quickly show you what I purchased. I didn't get a lot of things, I didn't need a lot of things, but just a couple of little bits and pieces. I needed to get some Christmas sort of bonbons or Christmas crackers for Christmas Day. As I've mentioned before, I am hosting Christmas Day. So I got these ones here from David Jones. My table is green and gold. So I thought the colors of these ones would go really well. They're the little gifties in it. But with the kids, they just demand crackers. So I just wanted to make sure we had some of those for the day. I think they'll look gorgeous on the table. I also just topped up on my Japanese sencha green tea. That should tide me over until the new year. And then I got these little Walker's shortbreads. I'm giving a couple of little small gifts to some people, you know, hairdressers, things like that. And so I've just popped those in. I bought these to pop into their little Christmas bags. And Walker's a really delicious shortbread, even though I cannot have them because of the gluten, but they are very nice. I have had them back in the day. So I got those, and then I got quite a large one there. And the other thing that I picked up was a 2025 calendar. So I do use my phone. I use sort of my phone as a calendar, and then I use like to-do lists and things on the iPad, but I do like to have a physical sort of calendar as well. It just sort of helps me have an overview of the month, and I also sort of pop in, you know, bills and things like that when they all need to be paid. So this is the calendar that I got. Cannot believe I'm getting a 2025 calendar, but there you go. And this is just, it just fits in the place. I get the same one pretty much every year. They just change the design and pattern. So that's my little haul. As I said, not too much, just a couple of little bits and pieces that I needed to get. Well, that is going to be it for today's video. It's probably a little bit of a shorter video than normal, but I hope that is okay considering I'm doing some additional videos at the moment. I hope you really enjoyed coming shopping with me today, seeing sort of the new Christmas decorations out, seeing what I bought, and kind of just spending the time with Mum and I. Everything's still looking really good in the garden. Can you you see the cucumber we have? See him in there? Almost ready to harvest. The leeks are almost ready. I might have to make a stew or something in the coming weeks so I can use some of these leeks. Well, I am going to bid you farewell. As I said, I hope you have really enjoyed spending the time with me today, and thank you very much for choosing to spend the time with me. I will see you probably on Wednesday, I think it's actually going to be quite a garden sort of focused video on Wednesday. So I will see you then. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week and have an amazing weekend. See you later.